Hey, this is James from JRN.net, and today I'm going to unbox the Galaxy S9 Plus for you. This is the unlocked, non-carrier branded version. On the back here, it just shows you the contents of the box and some other information there. We'll first slide off this outer sleeve, where we have the main box here. This main box comes apart by pulling the side. Take this top part off here. We have the SIM ejection tool, along with some paperwork, quick reference guide, health tips apparently. We'll move that aside. Then we have the actual phone here. This is the S9 Plus. Of course, it has the typical plastic protector around it. Then we have this, which held the phone in place. We have the adaptive fast charger with standard USB plug on the side, and this charges with an output of 9 volts at 1.6 amps or 5 volts at 2.0 amps. We have the USB-C to USB adapter here, and under this little cover we have the USB to USB-C cable. We have the 3.5 millimeter headset and different size earbuds, and that's all that's in there. This was the unboxing of the unlocked Galaxy S9 Plus.